Hello, welcome to English Chats with Felix. I'm Felix. I make listening practice videos so you can practice your listening and understanding. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Today, I'm going to talk about cooking. I love to cook and I love food. My mom's side of the family is Indonesian and my dad's side is Mexican. So I grew up watching people cook. When I was a child, my mom and grandparents cooked a lot. My favorite foods that my mom cooked were fried rice and an Indonesian soup called brenabong. My dad makes really good tacos. He barbecues the meat on a grill. He also makes good guacamole. I started to cook when I was a child. I remember the first thing I cooked were eggs when I was about 5 years old. I don't live with my parents anymore, so I have to cook for myself every day. I normally cook some type of Asian food or some type of pasta. I like to make curry and fried rice. When I'm feeling a little lazy, I make an easy pasta dish. I normally don't follow a recipe when I cook. I put the ingredients without measuring them. I think cooking can be fun and creative. The only time I try to follow a recipe is when I'm baking. Baking is when you cook something in the oven. For example, cookies, brownies, lasagna, and pizza. Another time I use a recipe is when I cook something new. I think it's fun to try new recipes. It's a fun activity, and then after you get to eat. I love food. Spices and herbs can make a big difference when cooking. I love a lot of spices and herbs in my food. One of my favorite combinations is coconut, cilantro, and lime. If a food has these 3 ingredients, I will love it. I really enjoy cooking for other people too. I think it's a love language for me. It's nice to cook for other people and then eat it together. The worst part about cooking is cleaning. I don't mind cleaning the counters, but I hate washing dishes. Okay, we're finished. In the comments, tell me what you like to cook. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Here you can click to subscribe or you can click to practice more. Alright, see you next time.